Okay sir, good morning. It's me again, Marnel Arcolan, and today I will demonstrate on how to create a database using MySQL command line, how to insert values, how to create a table. Okay, let's start. Go to the MySQL command line. Then your password. Acer DHP 17 caps lock PC equals ACT AR equals 1. Okay, this is now the command line. Third, before that, we can create their database name. So create database, for example CMPT, enter. We use CMPT, and after that we are now going to create a table. Create table. The first one is the chairman, enter. Chairman ID varchar 7, set as primary key, enter. Their last name varchar, for example 50, enter. Their first name varchar 50, enter. Their specialization varchar 50. Their contact info varchar 12. Contact info, enter. Second one is create the table of department. Create table create table department. The department ID, department ID varchar primary key. The department name varchar 50. Get the primary key from the chairman ID varchar 7, enter. After done that, create the table of the student. Create table student, enter. Student ID varchar varchar primary key, enter the student last name, varchar enter their first name, varchar 50, the department ID, varchar 10, enter the year, enter. As we can see now, we are done create three table of our database. So the next one is each table insert each of them three values. So let's start. Insert into chairman values. Do not forget to put comma their last name, let's say Viloria, comma their first name Romel, their specialization Raming, their contact info, enter. As we can see now, we are now already create one values that inserted in the chairman table. Okay, to it is hassle to type again, so click the arrow up in your keyboard to duplicate them or paste them, something like that. Oh, you can easily change the chairman ID, the name, their specialization, and their contact info, something like this one. 222, for example, De Vera, Aldos, Food Tech, their contact number. After that, enter. Okay, we can duplicate them again. Press the arrow up key in your keyboard, then it's easy to edit. 2, 3, 2, let's say Alar, Byron, their specialization, garments, their contact number, enter. As we can see now, we are now already create uh, three values that is stored in the chairman table. So the next one is the department table. As in the previous, that on the step that we use in the chairman table is the same steps in the department table. So start now. Insert into department values. The department ID, let's say 111 111, comma, the department name, let's say College of Industrial Technology, CIT, and get the chairman ID. Chairman ID is 111, which means this College of Industrial Technology department, the chairman is Sir Romel Biloria. Okay, enter. As we can see now, we are now inserted one values in department table. Use again the shortcut key. Press arrow. Edit again the department ID. Let's say 222. The department name, let's say College of Teacher Education. Teacher Education. Get the chairman ID of Sir Aldous de Vera, 12222. After done that, enter. Okay, press again the duplicate. Three. Let's say College of Arts and Science. The chairman ID is of Sir Byron Halar is 12232. 12232. Enter. Okay, we are done inserting values in department table. The last one is the student table. Okay, insert into student values. The student ID, let's say for example 180701. Their last name, for example me, Arkulan. My first name, Marnel. My department ID, let's say I am from CIT, so the department ID number is 111 111. Then my year level, third year. After that, enter. Okay, follow again the shortcut key plus the up arrow key. Okay, edit, let's say 23, let's say Flores, let's say Camberley, from their department ID from CTE is 111222. Then their year level, fourth, enter, press again the arrow, edit again, change their student ID number, let's say 246. The last name, let's say James. The first name, Lebron. The department, from CAS, College of Art and Science. 333. The year level 1. Enter. Okay, we are now already done inserting 3 values in each table. The second one is the last part of this tutorial is this demonstration is show each table of their values. To do that, okay, let's start. Select from chairman, enter. Okay, this is the chairman table, and we already see now that they have 3 values inside of the table. The next one is the table from department, enter. This is now the table of the department, and the last one is the table of his student, enter. Oh, this is now the table of the student. Okay, the last part is I can show the database that we can created for this demonstrator. To do that, show databases show databases. So we can see now this is the database that I made. Some of them are I create them as to practice and memorize properly the commands. Hopefully, sir, you will enjoy watching on this video and record on how to demonstrate what is the step on how to create a database, how to create a table, how to insert values in each table. That's all, sir. Thank you.